Hi, this is my second Devlog diary entry. Last time I showed this game in which the perspective could switch between a top-down view and a side-scroller view. Well, that idea has been scratched. If I were to go with that, I would need to create two types of player controls, get them perfect, create two types of levels, basically doubling my amount of work. Instead, I decided to focus on improving the top-down view, starting from the combat. Now you can press a button to lock enemies and, regardless of where you're moving, the player will always face the locked enemy. This should hopefully make the combat more enjoyable. The other thing I started working on is the very first level of the game and all the mechanics that come with it. For example, in the first part there are some bushes that block your path and you need to cut them. This should tell players how the combat works before they face actual enemies. Second thing, I also worked on lock doors and keys. Then remember this crate from last video? Well, now you can push it over buttons to open doors. Last thing, I'm also planning to have puzzles in this game. In this one, for example, you need to read some clues to find out in which order you have to pull those levers. This is pretty much it for today. Next week I'll try to finally add some textures to my game because I'm tired of looking at the grey squares. Remember that if you believe in this project, you can support it by subscribing to my channel or by donating at the link in the description. Goodbye.